You know my work conscious like a rapper with an army cap, right?
Oh, sorry.
For those throwing a fishing line, catching nothing but water nets and pocket knives, I'm a proud insomniac. You guys can sleep tight.
Did he just
I'm a
say
barbarian who screams it was a mistake to be civilized.
Why
The
is
day
he
they arrived, it
screaming?
was a knife to a gunfight, ended with the land taking everything, including lives, bringing a guy with blue eyes who is here to fill us with himself because we are vessels with nothing inside.
Most every
They touched our brains too, but do mind the steps in which they take telling us to stay behind. What did you expect?
Yeah,
Me not to be in jeans but garbs of a culture I don't fully know? That's disrespect.
my G.
Or maybe you expected me to regurgitate and imitate the scrolls of Kemet.
Hieroglyphs.
I'm twice as nice down south, but my north makes sure it don't lose connection with my mouth.
Grace open.
Secret royalty like Chinese special services. The English call it sulta, but they better come correct. Magicians elect.
Why would I give
You wait for rain when we just hit it with a SMS. And if it is a hit, I get Chidori got nothing on the light I bring, aiming straight at your neck. You will lose running at me with ops and decks. I bring you devil midget, straight jacket treat and believe it. How you call my connects demons?
Marahau.
Same people go pay respects by their homies' graves where we slaughter and celebrate, remembering all the greats, treating those from here like fruits from your tree. Hangman,
Strange fruit.
our DNA created you, man.
Inshallah
You need
DNA.
metal wings to fly.
Filipino lang alay, guys.
Let me leave it at that. Well, you cracks, see we don't crack. So you give us crack, congested us like lab rats. When we don't do what you want, you called us a failed experiment.
And we rating
Of course I'm mad.
Except man.
Who gave you the right to test that?
Maragabuzi.
Keep your sadism. We run deeper than your 50 shades of black.
No gray areas here.
We are the roots that keep the ground intact. Mother Earth breastfeeds us personally. Our thinking, hair, and skin is
We
proof of
still
that.
accept
So
the
bow down to your
bad.
rulers. In fact, bow down to your creators. Unlike you and your demons, we clap in our circle war rooms. Voices speaking, you aren't hearing any. One round place, but spirits are many.
It's funny.
And that's how we form a bad. No blood bonds between things who we don't know came from. When we take off our hats, our heads stay on. Remember that the next time you ask for forgiveness, you'll be addressing our God.
He talking about us.